Welcome to Milan, Italy, home to one of the most iconic architectural wonders in the world, the Milan Cathedral. Known locally as Duomo di Milano, this magnificent Gothic masterpiece is a symbol of the city's rich history and cultural heritage. Construction of the Milan Cathedral began in the 1386 and continued for nearly 6 centuries, making it one of the longest-running architectural projects in history. Step inside and you will be greeted by the awe-inspiring interior, adorned with soaring ceilings, intricate stained glass windows, and beautiful carved sculptures. Every year, millions of visitors from around the globe flock to admire its grandeur, marvel at its architectural details, and soak in its spiritual atmosphere. The Milan Cathedral is not just a building, it's a testament to the ingenuity and craftsmanship of generations of artisans and architects. At sunset, the cathedral's marble facade is bathed in a warm golden light, casting a spellbinding glow over the city. Surrounded by bustling cafes and charming cobblestone streets, the Milan Cathedral is at the heart of Milan's vibrant urban landscape. So, whether you are an architecture enthusiast, a history buff, or simply seeking inspiration, a visit to the Milan Cathedral is an experience you will never forget.